Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. This is ninth episode of my Vietnam trip. I am excited to reach Hanoi, Vietnam's charming city. I heard more about this city where ancient culture and modern energy blend beautifully. Hanoi is 45 minutes drive from Noi Bai International Airport. I made a booking Lee Premier Hotel at Old Quarter. Hanoi's Old Quarter is a destination full of history, flavor, and culture waiting to be discovered. Hanoi Old Quarter is a maze of narrow streets, each one named after the trade that once thrived there, from silk and silver to spice and tea. Walking through the narrow streets of Old Quarter is an amazing experience. You can make lot of shoppings and drink various type of coffee. In Hanoi streets, you will often see women gracefully walking with a bamboo pole balanced on their shoulder, with baskets hanging on either ends. These ladies, called wandering vendors, this tradition goes back hundreds of years when farmers from nearby villages would bring fresh produce, flowers, and handmade goods into the city to sell. I have reached my Hotel Lee Premier in Old Quarter. This is a new hotel with nice facilities. You can see. Those who are interested to know the rates, this is less than 200 dirhams per day. I have hired a guide to see around Old Quarter. Please travel with me to enjoy the important places of Old Quarter. You can see lot of tourists going around. and the street is full of life, so many coffee shops, spas, food outlets, and so many bikes than people. Left side you can see Hoan Kiem Lake. This is one of the famous lake inside Hanoi and in the old quarter.
Where you stay in Hanoi? So far?
I already went to Ho Chi Minh City, 4 days there, 2 days in Da Nang. Now the final day, final 3 days in Hanoi, covering almost south, mid, and for my lunch, I have choose a Michelin selected restaurant inside Old Quarter. I have choose a steaming bowl of Ho, Vietnamese most beloved noodle soup. In the heart of Hanoi stands Hoa Lo Prison, also known as Maison Centrally, one of the city's most powerful historical sites. It is sobering about important place to understand Hanoi's history and the courage of its people. This prison was made by French in 1896. It was originally used to hold Vietnamese revolutionaries and political prisoners who fought against colonial rule. The prison was notorious for its harsh conditions, overcrowded cells, shackles, and difficult living circumstances. Yet it becomes symbol of Vietnamese spirit of resistance and resilience. During the Vietnam War, Ho Lo gained international attention as it was used to be detain American prisoners of war.
Part of it, a part is still stay here, but here, part here is.
Today, part of the prison has been preserved as a museum. Visitors can walk through the old cells, see artifacts, and learn about the struggles and sacrifices of those who were imprisoned there.
They keep
Finally, pray a few moments for the prisoners, those who suffered, and leave. This place is called Temple of Literature, built in 1070 during the regime of Emperor Li Tan Tong. This is a Confucian temple, was dedicated to honoring Confucius and nurturing scholars. In 1076, it became Vietnam's first national university, training generations of Mandarins, poets, and intellectuals who served the royal court. This temple is a beautiful complex of courtyards, gardens, and ancient stone stelae engraved with the names of successful scholars from centuries past. It's a peaceful place that celebrates learning, wisdom, and Vietnamese deep respect for education.
We curve here. Welcome aquí desde el templo, aquí los sus vacíos son escuelas de tierra, no tablas de tierra, con nombre y biografía de nombre.
Is about when invader invade Vietnam, and the daughters give the sword to the king to fight the invader.
Thank you for watching my video. Please watch all my Vietnam videos and like, share and subscribe my channel for more.